In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use demo trading on BitMart so you can learn the platform and start practicing without risking a single dollar. If you want to receive a welcome bonus, I recommend you create a BitMart account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive welcome bonuses. Now, what is demo trading? Demo trading is basically a simulation of the real market. You're using virtual funds, but real market prices. So you can practice placing trades, testing strategies, and learning how everything works without any risk. To start our BitMart demo trading tutorial, the first thing we need to do is create and sign in to our BitMart account. You don't need to deposit any real funds or complete any KYC to use BitMart's demo trading feature. If you aren't sure how to create a BitMart account, we have a video on this on our page, so I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in this video's description. To start demo trading, we just head to the Futures tab on the top, scroll down a bit, and we can see demo trading. Before we can make any trades, we first need some funds. So if we just scroll down, we see under Assets on the bottom right, there is a Claim tab. We can just click Claim, and this will help us claim 100,000 tokens for demo trading. We can just click Claim, and we have successfully claimed our 100,000 fake tokens for our demo trading. For this tutorial, we are going to trade Bitcoin, but if we did want to trade another token or look at other tokens that BitMart has, we can just hover over the top left icon right here, and we can see the different tokens available. Again, we are going to trade Bitcoin. In the middle here, we have the Trading View chart. Most centralized exchanges have the Trading View software built in. The Trading View chart shows you how a token's price is moving in real time. You can use tools like trend lines and indicators to analyze the market, helping you find better entry and exit points. Beside the chart, we have the order book. It shows all the current buy and sell orders on the exchange. Green represents buy orders and red represents sell orders. The order book can help traders see supply and demand at different price levels, while also giving you a sense of the asset's liquidity, meaning how much buying and selling interest there is at each price level. On the top right of the exchange, we can see two options, cross and 10x. This is leverage, and this is our margin mode. Margin mode determines how your funds are used to support a trade and manage risk, mainly choosing between cross and isolated margin. In cross margin, all of your available balance in your futures account is shared across your positions. This can help prevent liquidation since more funds are backing your trade, but it also means you could lose more of your total balance if the trade goes against you. With isolated margin, you only risk the amount you assign to a specific trade. That means if the trade goes wrong, your loss is limited to just that position, making it easier to manage. For beginners, isolated margin is usually the better choice. It gives you more control and it helps protect the rest of your account while still learning. Once you're more experienced, you can explore cross margin for more flexibility. But when you're just starting out, keeping your risk contained is key. So let's confirm our isolated margin mode. We next can go over our leverage settings. Leverage lets you control a larger position with a smaller amount of money, essentially amplifying your trades, but while it can increase profits, it also increases losses. So as a beginner, it is important to use low leverage or avoid it until you fully understand the risks. So the base setting on BitMart is 10x leverage. We are going to reduce that to, let's say, 3x leverage, and we can confirm this. There are two ways we can make a trade. We can open a long or open a short. A long means you're buying because you think the price will go up, and a short means you're selling because you think the price will go down. Now, there are different ways that we can execute these orders. We have a limit order. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell at. Your order will only get filled if the market reaches that price, giving you more control over your entry or exit. We have a market order. A market order buys or sells instantly at the best available price. It's the fastest way to enter or exit a trade, but the exact price might vary slightly depending on market conditions. In the slightly more complicated orders, we have a trigger order. A trigger order only activates once the price hits a certain level you set. Once triggered, it places a market or a limit order. This is useful for entering trades automatically or setting stop losses. And lastly, we have a trailing stop. A trailing stop order is a dynamic stop loss that moves with the price as it goes in your favor. If the price reverses by a set amount, it automatically closes your trade, helping you lock in profits while managing your risk. For this tutorial, we are using a market order so the trade executes instantly and you could easily follow along. Let's place our 3x long on Bitcoin. We are going to use all our assets. So again, we have 100,000 fake dollars, and we can see with our 3x leverage what we are exposed to. Before we make our order, we can see there is a box that says TP and SL. This stands for take profit and stop loss. A take profit and stop loss order can help you lock in gains on the upside and manage your downside risk automatically, something every trader should be using. If we put our take profit at, let's say, 100,000, that means once the price hits 100,000, we will be sold out of our position and we will take our profits. We can see with our 3x long on our position, this will mean we'll be up 84%, and these are our profits in fake dollars. On the downside, if we wanted to cut our losses, if Bitcoin, let's say, hit 60,000, this would be how much we are down in fake dollars and our percentage. Now that we have our take profit and stop loss order ready, we can open this long. We can look at the information of our order and make sure it's correct and then confirm. We can see that our order was successfully placed. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see our trade in our current positions. Here we can see things like the size of our order, the value of it, our realized P&L, and our entry price. If we wanted to see our open orders, so our take profit and stop loss order that we made, we would just head to open orders and we can see both of our orders. To cancel them, we can just click cancel all. And if we want to close our position, we can either do so on the top right, making a close order, or easier, we can do so in the positions tab. We can see we can do a market or a limit order, and we can choose how much of our BTC we want to sell. We are going to use a market order to close our entire position. We can see in this short amount of time that our trade was open, we lost a little bit of money, about $500. We can confirm this trade, and we have closed our BTC 3x long. We see we have 99,335 virtual tokens left. Once you get down to 10,000 tokens, you can claim more again and get back to 100,000. Most beginners rush into real trading way too quickly. Demo trading lets you practice, learn how trading on the platform works, and build confidence as a trader. So when you do go live, you are actually prepared. That wraps up my demo trading tutorial on BitMart. If you want to receive a welcome bonus when signing up to BitMart, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at cryptowinrate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.